Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new, hi, I'm Finn and I post content twice a week. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this really easy rainbow eyeshadow look using just drugstore products. Nothing fancy, nothing special. I tell you, this is like Primark and a couple of indie things. Seriously, like, it's not difficult. If you want to see how I did this and maybe replicate it for yourself, then stay tuned. So the first thing I'm going to do is push my hair back to avoid any of my hair getting in my eyes. I'm going to grab a tiny little bit of primer. It can be any primer you want, and I'm going to pop this all over my eyelid and under my eyes. Next up I'm going to go in with the Boss Play palette, and I'm going to be taking the black shade, which is a really pigmented black, and I'm going to be creating like an S shape in my crease and flicking it kind of outwards. I'm now going to take some concealer from Primark and a flat brush, and using the flat brush I'm going to scrape the top off, and I'm going to use this to create a kind of cut crease. Now this is going to turn grey because obviously you're mixing the white with the black. It's absolutely fine, don't worry about it, we'll fix it later with some pigment. Now I'm going to use a clean brush and just pat down that concealer, leaving a nice flat surface. Now I'm going to go in with the Coca-Cola by Morphe palette. I'm going to be taking this really bright red shade here and just popping that in the inner corner using a pointed eyeshadow brush. I'm going to do exactly the same with the orange, and then we're going to kind of blend it into the red by patting it down. My orange is really not very pigmented. You could probably do better with a different orange, but this is all I've got for the time being. Again with the yellow, my yellow's not very pigmented, but you can build it up, so at the moment I'm just popping down sort of the first layer, and then you can always go over the top if you need to build that pigment back up. There you see, so I'm blending it back into the orange now because the orange isn't very pigmented, so just keep going until you've got the right consistency. And I'm just going to keep doing this, and now I'm going in with the green colour. These are all from the Boss Play palette by Beauty Power. I'll pop the link in the description box down below so you can go and check it out, but I also have a video that I'll link above as well. Back in with the blue shade, and we're just going to kind of fluff this into the corner and then fluff it underneath the black, so it's not a really bold look kind of with the blue. You're just kind of blending it out. So now I'm going in with a clean brush and just sort of blending the colours into each other a little bit nicer, and I'm also going to make sure that I blend the top of the eyeshadow and the waterline. I'm now going to take my Maybelline eyeliner. I'm going to be doing a normal winged eye, but I'm only doing half of the wing up until the yellow portion of the eye. I'm now going to be taking the MUA Luxe lip gloss and a eyeliner brush. I'm going to be taking some of the lip gloss onto the eyeliner brush, and I'm going to continue doing the rest of the eyeliner, so it's like a pink and black ombre liner. And then just do the same on the other eye. So now this is onto the base. I'm going to be taking any old concealer and my pointed foundation brush and just concealing the under eye and any like blemishes that I've got, which is apparently my whole cheek. Now going over a Primark foundation and a Sub Sky foundation brush. I'm just going to pop this all over my face. I'm only going to go for one layer today because I'm not looking for anything really high coverage. I'm now going to take the Poundland pressed powder and my Real Techniques brush, and I'm just going to sort of pop this all over my face by brushing it and patting it in. It makes your foundation last longer, and I prefer a matte finish. Next up is mascara. Take any old mascara you got. I'm using the Sunkissed one, just pop that on your little lashes. This is a highlighting stick, so I'm just going to take a little bit of highlighting stick. This one's iridescent, and pop that on the top of my cheekbones. Next up, I'm finishing the look with the Jeffree Star by Morphe liquid lipstick. This one's in the shade Dragon Blood, I think, but I'll leave it in the description box down below. And that, beautifuls, is the absolute final look using just drugstore easy to buy products. It wasn't difficult, it really wasn't hard to do. Honestly, if I can do it, then you guys can do it. So this is the final look. I really hope that you enjoyed this look. Let me just zoom you in. So yeah, rainbow! I love doing colourful looks, I really do love it, but I also like the fact that there's that tiny little bit of black which breaks it up, and I really like the ombre eyeliner using the lip gloss, which is a little trick that I came up with like this morning, so yeah, I really like it. If you like the video, please don't forget to smash that like button, it helps me out so much, and if you maybe want to see or hear any more from me, yeah, please consider hitting the sub button. I'm on my way to 700. And it would be so exciting to have you. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I really hope you have a fantastic day, evening or weekend wherever you are in the world, and I really, that was rude. And I really hope that I get to see you guys again in the next one. Until then, love you, bye.